David, Newtec bag palletizing in a few words.
Newtec bag palletizing is a French company based in Ilzac in France at the border of Switzerland and Germany. Our company was created in 1972. We are around 100 employees. Newtec bag palletizing is specialized in complete lines for bag palletizing. We are part of a German group, Haber & Böcker, since 2012, and from last year in Aventis Group. We are in the building materials, chemical and food industry, and we are proposing two types of palletizer. The first one, the Arcus palletizer with bags in feed from the top level, and the second one, the Terram palletizer with bags in feed from the bottom level. The Terram 800G is our latest development within the Terram family. We started the production in 2019.
Why has the Terram 800G been developed?
The Terram 800G has been developed for bags requiring an overlap, such as open mouth bags and bag partially filled. But it can also run with other bag types, such as valve bags and FFX bags. The Terram 800G has been mostly designed for the food industry, such as flour, starch, seeds, or milk powder products, but also for some other industry like fertilizers. The Terram 800G can reach a capacity up to 800 bags per hour.
Why pick the Terram 800G?
The HMI is very intuitive with colors touchscreen. It is extremely simple to create new recipes. The operator simply needs to enter the dimension of the bag, also of the empty pallet. Then bag's positioning parameters are automatically calculated and production can start directly.
What about safety?
The main concept of the Terram 800G is a floor-level access without any service gangway. Like this, the line is also more compact, that gives more safety for operators and maintenance team. The control is by ASI Safety and Safety PLC for a better diagnostic of the machine stop and better management of the safety areas. Gentle bag handling that gives precise bag positioning in the frame with the 4 automatic conforming plates, allowing an excellent stability of the layer. The result is a perfect square pallet, which is the business card of our customers. The maintenance is easy, thanks to the floor-level access. The maintenance and its costs are limited, thanks to the use of standard components. Electrical cabinet is compact and troubleshooting is easier. Each machine is tested at Newtec with a customer product if available. The machine is retractable and fits into containers. The transportation costs are then lower, so better for the planet. Setups are flexible. We can easily adapt the footprint of the line to the space dedicated by the customer. The wiring is fast and easy on site that gives a quick startup. The Terram 800G is easy to use, no need any IT or programmers to set up the machine.
In conclusion, David, why choose the Terram 800G?
First, for excellent palletization quality. Second, high safety for the operators. Last, compact and easy maintenance.